Good evening. In the civil services preliminary examination in general studies paper, 100 questions are asked. Out of these 100 questions every year, 40 to 50 questions are related to current affairs. This shows the importance and significance of current affairs with respect to the civil services preliminary examination. That is the reason why there is a serious necessity and need to focus more and especially on current affairs. With the same intention, we are launching a special batch for current affairs for the IAS 2021 examination. This examination is called Civil Services Preliminary Examination, which is conducted by UPSC every year. And in the preliminary examination, you have two papers. And in paper number 1, you got general studies, and in that general studies, I am going to discuss with you regarding the current affairs. Kindly understand very clearly with respect to the seriousness that is attached to current affairs. And once you are very comfortable with the current affairs, cracking the preliminary examination will become very, very easy. Because other paper, CSAT paper which is present, that is only qualifying in nature. And if you qualify that, that is more than enough. But you are expected to score more with respect to the general studies paper, and where the current affairs is going to play very, very crucial role. That is the reason why if you read the current affairs for 1 month, 2 months, that is not going to be helpful to us at all. That is the reason why you need to have a long term strategy with respect to the preparation of current affairs. With that intention, we have launched this particular batch, and the classes are going to be commenced from May 25th, 2020. We are in the year 2020. We are going to launch from May 25th, 2020, and the classes will continue up to May 31st, 2021, meaning till the preliminary examination of 2021, these classes are going to be continued. And the classes will be conducted on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Minimum 3 days every week these classes are going to be conducted, and you are going to have a wonderful and beautiful experience with respect to the current affairs. Within a very short period of time, you are going to get confidence that you are going to crack the preliminary examination. That is possible only when we are all committed. So with lots of dedication and commitment, we are going to start the preparation. That is going to create or instill lots of confidence in you, and when you go to the real-time examination for the prelims in 2021, you will be feeling lot of comfort, and that comfort has to be created well in the beginning. Meaning is simple, you will feel comfortable because you have the confidence. You got the confidence because you worked with the commitment. That is the reason why from institution side and from the student side, if there is a commitment, we can crack this preliminary examination very easily. And whatever I am discussing now, that discussion is exclusively related to the civil services preliminary examination, and I am focusing only on current affairs. With respect to other subjects, that we'll discuss later. But by looking at the importance of current affairs, I am going to launch a separate and special batch with respect to current affairs. Now, it's my privilege to show you the various points that are related to this current affairs. First of all, please take a pic of this. You need to have my mobile number. You need to have my WhatsApp number. Both are the same. And you need to have my mail ID. And please maintain communication with mail ID, through mail ID. That will be very easy for me also. So the discussion is related to civil services preliminary examination of 2021, right? And generally this is called IAS, right? Right. But IAS is one service in the civil services. Classes to be commenced from May 25th, continues up to May 31st, 2021. Classes will be conducted on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday minimum please. If there is a possibility, we'll also have one more day that will be intimated to you well in advance. And what are all the topics that we are going to discuss? Every topic will be discussed in the high standards of a civils examination. It is not the superficial discussion. We are going to get into the depth of the subject. So we are going to understand the basics. We are going to understand the logic behind that. We are going to analyze each and every topic on par with the standards of the civil services examination. Clear? And on all these 3 days, you can watch the classes after 9 p.m. After 9 o'clock in the evening, you can watch these classes. And you can keep watching these classes up to the completion of prelims of 2021. Along with that, my dear friends, please look at the point very clearly. You will also be given downloadable PDF material at the end of every month. At the end of every month, this material will also be provided to you. And after that, you see very clearly non-downloadable. I repeat, non-downloadable periodical practice bits will also be provided to you along with the explanation. Detailed explanation will be given to you for every question, and you will feel comfortable with each and every question. But please look at this very clearly. I am emphasizing, I am reiterating, the question paper practice bits are non-downloadable. You can access from our site any number of times you like, but it is non-downloadable. I am repeating it. Clear? And I am making it very clear before you join this course. PDF material which is going to be prepared by me. Complete information will be gathered and the information will be streamlined. That will be given to you by me only, and there is no third party intervention. I would also like to tell you one more thing. I myself is going to prepare the complete practice bits for current affairs for you this year. No third party intervention. Everything will be taken care by me, and whatever I am promising you, since I am not depending on anyone, everything will be given to you as promised. And when it comes to the fees is 7,500 including 18% GST, and it is up to May 18th, 2020. Kindly look at this, my dear friends. This fee is for complete 1 year. For complete 1 year. Hence, if you calculate 7,500, that is coming to 625 rupees per month. It can be easily affordable for anyone, but this is going to have immense benefits. This is going to create immense benefits for you, and this is, this you cannot measure it, immeasurable. Such type of experience you are going to, enjoy this time. Now, if you look at the next point, from May 19th, 2020, the fee is going to be enhanced to 9,500. Hence, I suggest you all to make utilization of this great and wonderful opportunity. Please join before May 18th, 2020. Clear? And what are the topics that we are going to cover? All national and international current affairs. Economy topics will be covered. National, international. Governance topics will be covered. Various governmental programs will be covered. Science and technology, all topics will be covered. All means current affairs. Whatever is appearing in the current affairs, that will be covered. Clear? For example, we know what is COVID-19. So many scientists, so many laboratories are they have already geared up. They are in the process of manufacturing vaccine for COVID-19, coronavirus. So whenever the vaccine comes up, we'll be discussing about that. Like this, each and every topic will be covered in depth. Clear? We go to the background, we get into the depth of the subject, we analyze, and we'll try to make every point very clear to you. Similarly, disaster management topics will be covered. Environment topics will be covered. For example, the latest one you can see, largest ever Arctic ozone hole is closed. What is this Arctic ozone hole? Right? Why the ozone hole has been created? What are the reasons? Now, why it has been closed? Does it have any link with the, this coronavirus? Because of this coronavirus, majority of the industries have been closed, right? Is it the reason for the closing of this ozone hole? Definitely not. That alone cannot be the reason. But what are the reasons? Like this, we'll get into the depth of every topic and we are going to discuss in detail. Similarly, when you look at our court system, constitution, you will come across with various case laws. Whenever any case law is there in the news, we'll get into that subject and we'll have a detailed discussion, right? And we'll also discuss amendments that are made to the constitution in the recent past. If any, they are going to be made. All those things will be discussing, including constitutional issues, international organizations like United Nations Organization, World Health Organization, World Trade Organization, SAARC, BRICS, G7, G20, NAM, like this, every organization that is coming in our way, we are going to discuss about that in detail, including their summits and developments and the outcome of those summits, right? And what is the impact of those summits and decisions on India. Similarly, in any country, if the elections are taking place, we'll follow that one. We'll try to know the outcome of that and what is the impact of that outcome on India. That also we are going to discuss. We'll be discussing international relations. Please remember, completely focusing on preliminary examination. Completely focusing on preliminary examination. Similarly, we discuss about a new world during and after Corona. Benefits of Indian economy after companies are withdrawing from China. We know that because of, every country today feels that the virus occurred because of this China. It is a negligence of China that the entire world is suffering today. That is the reason why thousands of companies are decided to move out of China and how India is going to get benefited out of that. Similarly, we'll also look into the foreign trade. Like this, we'll be discussing various topics and from various sources like Press Information Bureau, EPW, Hindu, Economic Times, Financial Times, Yojana, Kurukshetra, Frontline, and other international magazines, right? And we'll also, read this India yearbook, right? And we'll be reading like, the magazines like Frontline, Fast Company, Wall Street Journal, Business World, like this, from various sources will pick up the material and we'll be discussing in depth so that nothing is going to be missed out. Clear? And kindly remember, whatever I have discussed so far, that is related to the current affairs preliminary examination of Civil Services 2021. Other subjects that we are going to discuss later, that is on May 10th. Clear? And anybody who wants to take this opportunity, you can take the pick of this. You can take the pick of this. This is my mobile number. This is my WhatsApp number. This is my Google Pay number. This is my Phone Pay number. This is my Paytm number. In any manner you can pay. After payment is done, WhatsApp your name, mobile number, mail ID, state and city. Clear? Right? All the details you please send it to me and also mention current affairs 2021. Then you will be added to that particular batch and you will be sent an email. With that email, you can start accessing our current affairs classes from May 25th, 2020 onwards. Clear? And also please make a note of this last line. After joining, right? After joining, all communication will be maintained through mail. Kindly follow this particular, this protocol. All your doubts, please mail me. So that what will happen, I will not miss even a single mail. If you call me, I may miss the call. If you WhatsApp me, I may miss the messages. But perfect communication can be maintained between you and me through my mail ID. That is seen here. This is my official mail ID. At any time you can contact me through mail. All doubts will be cleared. There is no doubt about that, right? Similarly, if anybody wants to, this join through, if anybody wants to join through the so-called, the site, okay, you just come to this home page. You open the site www.onlineias.com. You please come to the home page. Just a moment. Yeah. And in the home page, if you look towards your right, menu bar, right side, can you see IAS 2021, right? And if you place your cursor here, IAS 2021, you can look at the drop down box. Clear? And here, current affairs, you can watch this seminar and you can enroll. After enrolling, you will be able to access. Clear? How to access? That procedure will be given to you here. Clear? But in order to enroll, please come here. I'll show you once again. IAS 2021 current affairs special batch. Come to this place, enroll. Click on enroll. You will be taken to the next page. Fine. And if you click here on enroll, you will be taken to the payment gateway page, where you will be asked to enter your details. Clear? Give your name, give your mobile number, give your email ID. And if you come towards right, you can see you can pay through two different types of payment gateways. One is Paytm, second one is CC Avenue. In any manner you can pay this. Clear? You select either Paytm or CC Avenue. After that, you just click on here and click on register to the course. You will be taken to the payment gateway, where you can pay through net banking or credit card, debit card, RuPay card. Some other options are there, you can check up. In any manner you can pay, and immediately after that you will get a mail that your payment is successful. And starting from May 25th onwards, you can start accessing the classes. Fine. So this is about the whole course with respect to current affairs, and I am making it very clear, this is exclusive for current affairs. Now the point is that who can join this program? Anybody who is writing IAS 2021 prelims, you can join. Whether you have already taken coaching somewhere, or if you want to start the preparation afresh, or if you want to write the examination later, or if somebody is writing any other examination that is being conducted in India, for everybody this is useful. But please remember, this will be with the standards of IAS only. Clear? That is the reason why anybody can join. There is no objection for that. But please make a note very clearly. Once you join, you will be able to access only through one device. Either you can use your mobile or laptop or desktop or tab, but not with the two devices. And protecting your user ID and password is your responsibility, right? By mistake or wantedly, if you share your credentials with other person, if that other person will access, then automatically you will lose the access permanently. That is the reason why please be very careful, please be very cautious. This course is exclusive for you and for your better utilization. Clear? And please remember and recollect whatever the points I have told you. If you have any doubts, please watch this video once again, and I try to make every point very, very clear. And whatever the fee that I have shown you, that fee is valid for the entire course for complete 1 year. You need not worry about that. Clear? This will include the classes, this includes the PDF material, this includes the practice bits, and everything will be taken care by me, including preparing the practice bits for your examination. Fine. So that's all for the day. Take very good care, take a quick decision, and join at the earliest. Join before 11:30 in the evening on May 18th, because from May 19th onwards, fee is going to be enhanced to 9,500 rupees. Fine. And I wish you all very, very, very good luck, and I also suggest you to spread this message to all of your friends, and share this video with all your friends. so that whoever is interested, so they will be joining our course and they will have a wonderful and great experience with this particular course. Thank you so much. Take very good care.